Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a fun way to save money that is customizable, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, this particular way that is fun and customizable is called Save-Opoly. Now, Save-Opoly, it is customizable by way of you create a Monopoly style board that you can put in the different amounts on each stopping point or each card or each spot on the board. You would put a dollar amount. So on each spot you put your dollar amount, or what works according to you, which you can do on every board. You put it on every space, which for me, I put all the amounts that I could do. And this is weekly, so basically it's a 52-week challenge that you would roll the dice each week, and whatever you land on, that's what you would have to put. I keep track of mine on the side, and that's what you would have to put into your container, like I did. See, Save-Opoly, I have it in here, and I've been doing it for 11 weeks. This is the 12th week for me. To me, this is pretty fun, and I've went around the board already, and I'm right here. I put a paper clip, and with me, I basically created this myself. I just got this printer paper, and I just taped it to the back of the page of the printer paper, and I just created the square and made it according to just like the Monopoly board style, as you can see. And in each section, I put what I think that I can do, what's good for me. And of course, if you look at my board, you can see that everything basically is under $10 pretty much, except for when you get on this side, which of course it'll be where Boardwalk or Park Place would be. That has the highest numbers, because that is usually what it is like. Or when you go to jail, I put a high amount there as well, because I know those locations are usually the higher end. And usually if you do go to jail, you're going to have to pay a lot anyway. But these particular ones are the high value ones, so I would put those on there as well. So far, what I have gotten is on mine, my first roll was $3, $5, $4, $1, $7, 1 cent, 3.50, 2.50, 1.50, 2 times 2. So on one of my sides I want to say for taxes, I put you to times 2. So if I roll the dice and whatever I land on, is that what I have to multiply it by. And the same goes for here. When I go to jail, then to get out of jail, I have to roll 3 times. I'm gonna have to roll 3 times, and whatever I land on, I have to times that by 25 cents. And just like here, the income tax is times 3, and everything else is just as is. If I ran on chance or community chess, I have to pay $9.50 and $9.80. But again, this is according to what I know I could do. That's, feasible to me. That's according even with everything that's going on. This is actually a good way for me, because, all I do is I'm not going to that many stores, but once a week I do have to get out to buy groceries and things like that to do the essentials. So in that process, I pull out money. And just a little tidbit of information: carry your Lysol or your hand sanitizer so that you can spray your money, so that way you're not getting any, you're limiting the contact of, because money is dirty. So you're trying to limit the germs you're receiving, because you don't want to really be with that virus, it's going around. So I just spray my money with the Lysol. I make sure I use hand sanitizer. When I get home, I wash my hands, and, I'll try to stay safe. But that's what I'm doing, because so I'm not bringing the virus home to my children. I'm not, putting them in danger or anything. So that's what I do for me. But I'm continuing to do all my challenges that I will be putting them up. I'm going to continue to do mine as I go around. But then this is what I have so far. I just want to show you what I have so far. Wait, you know what? I'm going to roll the dice first. I roll the dice, and then I'll show what I got. So these particular dice, I know they're huge. This is what I got these from the Dollar Tree. I also got this from Dollar Tree as well, like the printer paper with this. I use that as well. And I got this from Dollar Tree as well. So, it's about $3. That's what I spent. But, so, let me roll the dice. And I'm here for my week. This is week number 12. So, I'm here to start off. And so, I'm going to roll the dice and see what I land on. And I'll move and pay that as well. So, let's go. Oops, so, that one fell off. Let's roll again. 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to pay $1.80. and that's where I am this week. And I have to pay $180. So I'm gonna put 185 because I don't have a nickel, and this is what I have right now. So let's see. And the thing with this, okay, I know this is off topic, but this, I like this so much because I can put my change on the top and put the dollar bills on the bottom. So this is what I have. So I already moved my die, and let me write in here. Okay, so I paid $1.80. Okay, so $1.80, which I do keep track. And so let's add it all up together. What I got so far. What I got so far, I'll flip. See, right there at the top. See, I'll flip this over so that I can count the money. Probably be easier that way so you guys can see. Okay, so this is what I got so far. See, put it together. So I'm not really counting, I'm just separating. So okay. So I have 3 5s, which is 15. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Are $21 bills. So I have 3 5s and $21 bills. And then I have 9 quarters, a dime, and a penny. So let's count it off how much it is. This is 15. This is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 25, 35, 36. $28.36 is what I have so far for Save-Opoly, and that's for, I'm on week 12, and this is what I've accumulated so far. So yeah, so this is pretty, I think that this is more of a fun way for me, so I can roll the dice and see what I land on, and it's that way, you know, so by the end of the year, I'm not sure how much I'll accumulate, which I'm pretty sure, which will probably be about, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, the way it's going, maybe $200 to $300. I know that's not a lot, but especially with the times, how stuff is going, this is actually a good way for me because, you know, you guys can always, you know, add it up more if you want to. That's your choice of how you set it up, but this works for me since I'm doing all those other challenges and stuff. And seeing, I'm pretty sure that I'll get about, you know, $200, $300 or more, depending. If I can land on here a couple times, for all I know. But, you know, roughly, I think it'll be about $200 to $300. But we'll see by the end of the year when it comes up, and I'll check with this once a month, like I do the other ones, which, you know, that's works for me. And I'm doing several different challenges, so this works too, because this, you know, my goal is I'm gonna have to do a video on what my goals are, so that way you guys know what I'm, you know, going for and what I'm looking forward to. And yeah, so, you know, you guys, Save-Opoly is a pretty fun thing to do. You can do this with family too, you know, something simple to work out if you're looking to do stuff, you know. Yeah, so I thank you so much for watching. And let me know your thoughts down below if this is something that you would try or something that you're actually currently doing. Or yeah, if this is just another way to save money, that's another option that you can save money, and this works for me. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. This really helps me to stay accountable, to save money, even though in this times you guys have to stay safe. Just spray your money if when you use it, because I really do. I spray my money with Lysol or disinfectant, or wipe it off. You even when you go to the teller, carry some Lysol with you. Carry, some Clorox bleach wipes so you can wipe it down so that you're not getting anything, you're not transmitting anything. You really want to stay safe in these times. So even when you go to different places or you're using your debit card, you still want to spray your debit card or use hand sanitizer constantly. Make sure you guys are staying safe out there. Don't go out there and think and taking this stuff lightly, because it's a serious thing, right now. And I know that I don't really want to make this seem like that, but I still want to save money. I still have a goal, and I'm still going to continue to do that because I'm still working right now. Well, I'm still getting paid, but I'm at home, so yeah. But not everybody's situation is like that. So I want to still save money and keep everything going. So this is another way to do it. And it's, you can customize it accordingly to your income or what you're dealing with. And you can change numbers according to how you want to make it, however you feel. But this is how I did my board. And I did this by hand, as you can tell, because it's not professional. But yeah, so tell me your thoughts down below. And I will see you in the next video. Comment down below, subscribe, put your thumbs up, and let's save money together, and let's get this going. And tell me your guys' thoughts. And yeah, I have other videos, and you can check in the description box below. I listed them for the other challenges that I'm currently doing, which I think I'm doing a total of 6 challenges altogether to save money for my goal. And there's different ways and whatever works for you. So yeah, let's save money together.